What's up, guys? My name is Gisela, and welcome to the G family. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own DIY body glow. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty, shiny. I'll show you guys throughout the video, but it's so simple. And I got this idea from Jasmine. She's one of my friends, and I just wanted to make a video on it to let more of you guys know, because you guys don't need to buy the Rihanna lava thing or other things. Y'all could just make it at your house. Like, I literally didn't buy anything. I had everything. But yeah, that's what's on my face right now. That's why it looks so gluey, luminous, glowy. Yeah, and it's just really pretty. So if you guys do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to be part of the G family. I love my G family members. I love you guys so much. Turn on post notifications so you never miss a brand new video. You will become an OG. If you guys do, please comment down below so I could subscribe to you and follow you. And add me on Snapchat, Mijas, so you never miss what I post. Like, you guys could see more of my life, and I might have updates and behind the scenes there or whatever. And follow me on Instagram for Instagram pictures, posts more about me. Alright, let's just get on with this video, and yeah. So here I'm just pouring any type of oil into the container. I chose clear. And then I'm just dripping my Cover FX highlighter because it looks cool. Then you're going to grab a little bowl, and then you're just going to get any highlighter that you want. I'm choosing kind of goldish highlighters because I think that looks better with my skin tone. But if you're a little bit more on the lighter side, then I would choose like lighter highlighters. And this highlighter already broke and fell on the floor, so that's why I'm pouring that in there. And here I'm just scratching off from my Wet n Wild highlighter and from my other one with a little crushing utensil. And here I'm just going to be crushing it up, and then adding more highlighter. I love this one. It's by Maybelline, and it's like perfect amount of gold. Then I'm going to be crushing it up more until it's as little as I could possibly get it. And right here, I attempted to pour in the highlighter into the container, but as you will see right now, it kind of failed and all fell on the paper. So I wouldn't recommend doing that. Just like that. But that's the next step. We're going to be putting highlighter into the container, all the crushed up pieces. So I recommend using this method, rolling out the paper and then pouring the highlighter in. It was still a little messy, but it was much better. Then I'm just going to put the cap back on and then shake that until it is all dissolved. And it looks very pretty. Here is the final process. I kind of just sprayed it on my hand, and after I rubbed it in, it looked very beautiful, but right now I'm going to show you in a better video. Alright guys, so I kind of already put it all over my face and my arms and stuff. I'm just going to show you how I would apply it, probably. This is like the pretty as the texture. You don't need Rihanna's glow thing, but y'all could just do this. Check. Just add that all over the hands for that beautiful ass summer glow. And you could add it to your face. You can add it here. It's gonna look like a shine ball. Cause why not? Add it on my knees. Literally add it everywhere. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it and helped you guys out a lot. If you guys did, you already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and suscríbete. Okay, I tried saying it in Spanish. Subscribe and to become part of the G family, and give it a thumbs up. I think I already said that, but yeah, turn on post notifications. Follow me if you guys want to see more of me, and remember to do what makes you happy, and if you could believe it, you could achieve it.